Lumberjack, you are not. You sure you charge your batteries?
Yeah, I charge mine. I mean, remember, I think I only.
You're not a very good lumberjack. You better give me that.
Maybe I don't like left-handers.
I think you're not a very good lumberjack. It's fine for me.
So is it you right-handed son of a bitch?
Yeah. Look at that. My left hand. I'm cut with my left hand.
Well, you already hit the button. By the way, there's a safety button that's only on the thing for right-handers. Oh,
Oh.
what happened now?
There might be some lead in this tree.
I mean, there already is. We chainsawed through a bullet.
Yeah. That can't be good on a chain. Like we're plugging up.
Run it a couple times. New battery? This thing might not survive the rest of the video, and we didn't barely do shit to it. I'll get a new battery. You keep fucking with it. That battery's on the left. That battery's on the left.
May have killed it.
Maybe the batteries only last a couple minutes. Oh, run it back and forth.
Oh, there we go. Here we go again.
Oh, you're not a very good lumberjack there, man.
Got it going, didn't I?
That's not what she said.
It sounds like we're hitting the bullet. That's something inside of there.
I mean, we have got this tree a couple times. No trees are safe. Uh-oh. New chain?
I don't think it's a chain problem.
Hey, I'm already down to 9 3/4 fingers. I'll try you hitting that button.
I think we're dead.
Hold on. New battery. Battery? New battery. That battery?
Dead.
Let's try a new chain. Maybe we're dulling it.
I don't know. Our chain feels pretty good still. We're still cut pretty good.
You don't want that new chain? Fine. No new chain. Oh, yeah, new chain. I'm just going to stand over here.
I think we're overworking it. It's getting hot. I think that's what's happening.
So it's getting hot, it might end up fucking dying. This is torture test for a reason.
Yep.
I mean, it is for only small brush.
This isn't exactly small brush.
It's not.
Uh-oh.
One more battery?
Where's battery? I think the motor's overheating and it cools off and then it works.
Oh, let's see. I mean, it's not that hot. Chain's a little loose. Loosen that up. Let's see. Pull it a little tighter. Twist it a little tighter. You know, this thing might catch a bullet. I mean, if you're just cutting brush,
Oh, there you go.
Well, let's try and cut some small.
Let's cut some brush. Let's use it for what it's meant for.
I mean, it's just logging right through it. But for what it is, it's perfect.
It actually works pretty good. You're just not going to cut a cord of wood with this thing. Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm gonna break this son of a bitch. Yeah, da. Ooh, it is getting hot.
I think we're just overheating it. I think we overheated a little bit with that.
I mean, maybe it needs to cool off on a nice cold ground.
That'll help.
It might help. You never know. The ground's cold.
The ground is cold. Maybe kick it a little bit.
Yeah, see, it's cooling off.
Kick it a little bit. Might make it work better.
Maybe run the chain a little bit. It might need a new chain. You just don't want to use the new chain. You want a bucket chain. Maybe we killed the battery again. Yeah.
Hey.
It might have been a battery.
Might have been a battery. It might be we're using it on too big of wood. Maybe we should use it on something smaller next time. Maybe we overheated it.
Little Chinese batteries can't stand the heat.
Something like that.
I mean, you're through it. You just easily snap that one off. I stepped in the old pumpkin. Fucking deer, clean up after yourselves. God. Oh, wait, that was us.
I think we might be dead. Again. Try the ground again.
The ground might work. I'm telling you. We might be onto something. The ground works.
The ground is with you.
So just start your shit if it doesn't want to work.
Uh-oh. Now you do. If it don't go, just force it like Bubba does.
Look at that. The bar still didn't even bend.
What's that one?
The bigger one? All right.
Did you break it again?
Preemptively ground throw it. Preemptively. I'm just saying, like, the ground throws work. I just don't want it to die on me. You son of a bitch.
You broke it.
I ain't breaking.
You done broke it.
I ain't fucking breaking. I mean, maybe I broke it. Maybe it's just hot. Take the battery off.
They sure don't make those so you can get the battery off very easy.
I mean, it's meant to beat the shit out of it. It has. See?
You just had to beat the crap out of it. I think it's got a safety in it.
What's the safety? Don't like it for fat guys?
Yeah. Safety meaning don't use it on a whole tree, dummy.
Aerate it with branches.
Aerate it, yeah. Give it that soft landing. That'll help.
Yeah, I'm on to something
here. You're not very good at it.
Fucking shit. You're not good enough. This thing's pissing me off. I'm gonna go on a little rant walk for a little bit. You handle that.
I'm handling it.
Fucking little stupid fucking chainsaw.
Hey, what's through? Hey, we're dead again.
Rant walk. That's what
yes, I'm pretty sure we're just overheating. Yeah. Why? It's alive again.
I'm back from my rant.
And it's dead again.
On the same page as me?
I think I'm on the same page as you.
This thing is not liking shells. All right. Safety off. Fuck you, piece of shit. Hey, it's working.
In short, it can't work any worse now.
You want to make it work? Here's a couple shells. I'll take the shitty battery. No, don't load a shitty Walmart shotgun upside down. It does not like shells.
Don't like it forward either.
Safety.
Safety.
I think it works.
Works better now.
So, while my ears are ringing because I forgot Ear Pro,
And my ears are ringing.
we're going to get back with you next time on Bubba and Jeremy's Outdoor Blitzes. Like and subscribe, and share it if you like the videos. See you next time.